Hey guys, Amish Shah here, and I wanted to shoot this quick video today. As you guys have known, I've been in the app space for almost 2 years and teaching just in general for almost 8 years now. And when I first started my, being in the app world, I was making a lot of apps very quickly. I was producing mass quantity apps, with all these different app makers and app builders and stuff out there. And I saw success pretty quickly. In fact, within the first 9 months of starting my app business, I sold it for almost $2 million. And within my first month, actually, I was already generating revenue when I started my app business. Within those 9 months, I also started a training platform called the App Code. And the App Code was a really cool platform that I created that taught people exactly what I was doing in the app space and telling them, teaching them how to make money in the app space as well. Flash forward about a year after I sold my company to the publicly traded company, I realized that a lot has changed in the mobile app space. You look at Apple and Google passing all those rules, making it harder and harder for people to actually get their apps into the store in the first place. Now, that doesn't mean that it's impossible to still build cheap quality apps. And that's why I'm here. And you're gonna meet a buddy of mine. His name is James, and he has some very cool insights as to what has changed and what we need to do as a community to all collectively benefit from these changes so that we can actually build apps using all these builders and frameworks that are out there. You don't have to spend a lot to make good apps. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, and James is here to talk about it too. So let's go check him out.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on? What's up, James? How you doing? Why don't you tell everybody and all these Kickstarters what this is all about?
What's going on? Isn't it funny how everybody wants to build an app these days?
Yep.
I mean, if my grandma was watching,
everyone I know wants to build an app.
If my grandma was watching right now, I know she's got an app idea up there. So, what the challenge with everybody wanting to build an app is that they don't know how to code.
Yep.
In fact, what happens every time somebody emails you with an app idea, or they have a phone call about an app idea?
Yeah.
The worst thing they say is like, what are you gonna do about this, Amish? Because they want you to build it. And second is like, okay, and you tell them, go build it yourself. But if you tell them to go build it themselves, then it's always like, where do I get a programmer? Where do I get a designer?
Yep. And it's not just about the app, it's about the app business. You have to actually build the business with the apps, And so that's one of the bigger pieces of it.
That's absolutely key, because you see, even if you could program and code your own app, how do you market it? That's the next question everybody asks. Yep. So what we're doing here with App Code 2.0 is teaching you all that. Cutting edge education, how to build your apps, community, everything. Amish and I are gonna show you the whole entire process. Let's go down out back right now.
So, App Code 2.0.
Amish, well, let's tell them a little bit about what App Code 2.0 is all about and why we're doing this.
Yeah. Well, first of all, we're doing this because of the success we've seen with App Code 1.0, and because the marketplace is consistently changing. We have to make sure that we stay ahead of the curve. If we want to create financially free, successful entrepreneurs, we always have to be ahead of the curve.
Which is really our mission. If you look at everything that we do, it's about creating entrepreneurs inside the space of the mobile world.
So there's a couple things that we're going to be doing to make this a successful, 2.0 campaign.
If you look at anything that we've done, we've always taught people at every level. So recently we just launched an incubator program where we've taken a select few people at a very high end and taken them through the entire process. But that's not what this program is about. App Code 2.0 is about teaching anybody how to build apps. All new videos, all new instructors, all new community, and a complete new, all new builder.
In fact, one of the instructors that we hired inside the App Code, he's taught second graders how to build apps and actually get them published. So no, it's not as hard. It's not harder to make apps. You have to actually just be smarter. And that's what the App Code 2.0 is all about, being smarter in the mobile app space.
Yeah, so we're changing the way that apps are built, and we thank you for being a part of this program. We thank you for supporting us in this.
So go ahead and take action now, because we know that this thing is gonna sell out quick, and we know it's gonna be fast, so take action today. We hope to see you on the inside and use all the tools that we're gonna give access to.
Right, see you guys on the inside. And one of the rewards that we're offering is you guys come out to San Diego, work with Amish and I, we'll help you guys generate a business, we'll do it together, opportunities galore, and you'll hang out here. So, cheers guys.
See you guys.